Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we're bringing you a tutorial on how to connect the Skydroid G11 to the Skydroid C12. This video is mainly divided into 3 parts. First, what products will be used in this test. Second, how to connect the cables. Third, how to display the video. What products will be used in this test? The products used in this test are Skydroid G11 remote controller, Skydroid GR01 receiver, Skydroid C12 gimbal camera, Tata 5300 mAh battery. The cables used are C12 Ethernet power cable, Skydroid GR01 receiver power cable. How to connect the cables. First, connect the POW plus LAN port of the C12 to the LAN port of the Skydroid GR01 receiver. The connector on the C12 side is GH1.257 pin, and the connector on the Skydroid GR01 receiver side is GH1.254 pin. Next, power on the Skydroid GR01 receiver. The connector types of the receiver power cable are XT30 and JST 2.54 mm. Finally, power on the C12 gimbal camera. How to display the video. After both the receiver and gimbal camera are powered on, wait for a few seconds. At this point, you can see the real-time video feed from the C12 on the G11 remote controller. We can directly slide our finger across the screen to control the movement of the gimbal. The G11 interface is relatively simple and only retains several commonly used gimbal functions. The first icon on the right is for video recording. The second icon is for taking photos. And the third button is for switching to the second video feed. After clicking the third button, you can enter the C12 thermal imaging view. Next, let's take a look at the gimbal settings. Click Settings in the upper left corner and find Gimbal. Here you can adjust the gimbal movement speed. In addition, if you have just purchased a C12 and find that the gimbal keeps performing its self-check and continuously rotating when it is powered on for the first time, this does not necessarily mean that there is a problem with the gimbal. Enter the gimbal settings interface and find working mode. Since we are placing the C12 on a desktop for testing, select inverted mode here. After completing the setting, power off the C12 and then power it on again. As you can see, the gimbal can now complete its self-check normally. It should be noted that the gimbal working mode needs to be selected according to the actual installation method. If the installation method does not match the selected working mode, the gimbal may not work properly. That's all for today's Skydroid G11 connecting to Skydroid C12 tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Skydroid product connection tutorials, operating methods and real-world testing, don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.